Iska is just out of shot. She's right here. Let me show you where she is. Feels very weird to be filming in my room. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Demelza's Delights. My name is Georgette. My middle name is actually Demelza, and it is always a delight to be vegan. I don't really ever film in my room just because the lighting isn't that great here. You're probably getting a shadow here and all this light from this big beautiful window of mine. I am doing an empties video today. I've got a ton of stuff that I want to throw away after I have finished filming this video. If you're unfamiliar with empties videos, basically everything's empty. They're things I've used, and I'm going to chat to you about if I enjoyed them or not. Lots of people love these videos. I don't make them that often. Obviously I have to hoard all of this rubbish and then talk through the products. I can imagine there are people watching this video who are getting pissed off that that isn't straight. I could fix it. I think the painting itself is actually not properly square. I'll start with cosmetics. As always, oh my goodness. I have 4 tubes of red Seal toothpaste. I swap between the Smokers toothpaste and the baking soda. I am not a smoker, but I really like the strong breath freshener that this one has. These have featured in my other empties videos before. I like Red Seal because it's New Zealand made. They are vegan and obviously cruelty free, and I'm so thankful I can throw these away now. I also tried the white Glo toothpaste. This was a charcoal whitening toothpaste. I didn't really think it was that great. White Glo is Australian brand, cruelty free and vegan, but maybe I should try some of the other options because this one didn't really have any whitening effect for me, so I wouldn't buy it again, hence why I don't have 2 or 3 tubes of it like the Red Seal. I have a bottle of the Earthwise Nourish, another New Zealand made product, natural shampoo for normal hair. I didn't particularly like this shampoo. I have since started using shampoo bars by Lush, and I probably wouldn't go back to normal liquid shampoo unless it was a really good one. This is just available at your supermarket, so if you are a new vegan or a vegan on a budget or someone just looking for an easy option, you can pop into the supermarket and find this one. They have a whole range of different things. I will just say though that I've got this one here, Earthwise, same brand. Now this is the Lily and White Ginger Natural Hand Wash. It wasn't until I had finished it and was thinking about putting it in this video that I turned it over, and on the back it's got Mel, M-E-L, and the ingredients, which is Manuka honey. So if you are vegan wanting to watch out for those things, just check the ingredients on the back of these products, because not all of them are vegan, but they are all cruelty free. I did really like that one, which was a shame, but I suppose I could try something different from them. Maybe the only other reason I wouldn't buy these is because they're in plastic bottles, and this year I'm trying to do less of the plastic stuff. From Lush, where I work, I've got a Once Upon a Time body lotion. This just smells heavenly. I used through this little 45-gram tub of it and have since bought myself the 225, which is the large one. So it's green, like a really beautiful light green in colour. It just smells like fresh apples. It just reminds me of summer. I absolutely love this one. So you can see I've got another large tub of it and a small tub of it for traveling. I don't know. I absolutely love this fragrance. I also have the body spray. Now this is part of their limited edition Christmas range. I do actually work at Lush in the factory in New Zealand. If you're new here, hi. As I say, try it out. It smells like fresh Granny Smith apples. Beautiful scent. It's a really beautiful body lotion, a little bit oily, so if you're not into oily lotions, maybe skip this one, but I love it for summer. Love it for summer. This is the Inecto coconut body oil. I really like it because it's in a spray, so it's perfect for travel. No, there's not even a little bit left. I love it. Heaps, heaps, heaps. I've already got another one. Let me go grab that and show you. So it's just a really clear, smooth liquid. It doesn't go solid. I'm not sure if that's because it's obviously not pure coconut oil. It's obviously mixed with other things, but yeah, I really love it. I've got the old one, throw that away. I've got my new one, which is almost 3/4 of the way down. And I love to travel with this one. It is a great body lotion, but I especially love using it on my legs in summer. They just are so shiny, and it's like wearing baby oil. Shiny, glimmering legs for summer. Yeah. I love it. You could probably put it in your hair as well. It could be really good for spraying on a cotton pad and removing eye makeup, although I haven't tried that. Inecto is a UK brand, but you can buy this in New Zealand pharmacies, and their entire range is cruelty-free and vegan. This one here is the e.l.f. concealer stick. It's just a solid kind of push-up wand, and I definitely didn't use the whole thing. It was in colour ivory. I got it from Farmers. It was probably only $5 or $6, but I didn't like it, and it wasn't good coverage. Yeah, looking at this little piece of plastic that I'm now going to throw in the bin, it just makes me more motivated to use less stuff like this, because it's just a waste. And where's it going to go? Into the landfill. If you have any really good tips on disposal of plastics or how I can recycle things like this, please comment down below, because this is turning into a wasteful video. Obviously things like this I'm going to put in the recycling bin. It says on the back recyclable, but I just spent some time with my parents in Taupo, and they now can only put 1s and 2s in their recycling bins. So they were throwing margarine tubs in the bin, lots of different things that I would normally put into our recycle bins here in Auckland, and I was just shocked. So I am guessing that smaller towns or cities, please comment if this is the case, their councils are just no longer taking things that are 3, 4, 5, 6. This has got a 1 on it. This little beauty is the Minimalist Cleansing Oil. Now this is a small New Zealand hand batched company. I've featured them on my channel before. I've finished through the cleansing oil, and I definitely need to get myself some more, so this will be linked in the description box down below. And when you are cleansing your face, you're supposed to really take time out to breathe in the ingredients, relax, almost meditate. It is just such a beautiful self-care item. I think if you're looking for a really good cleanser for any type of skin really, don't be afraid to go for cleansing oils. I've got combination to oily skin and I've always been afraid to put more oil onto my face, but this is a beautiful product. Frankie, the owner, is a gorgeous vegan gal, and her company is just, yeah, really simple, really beautiful, so I'll link that in the description box for you. You can check that out. And you've got my recommendation. Pretty sure this one was in my last video as well. It's the Designer Brands Express Makeup Remover. I just go and buy mine at like a Life Pharmacy or a Unichem, any pharmacy that stocks the Designer Brands range. I've already got another one here on the go. This one's almost empty as well. I find this extremely good for removing waterproof mascara. After I take off my lashes and I've got heavy eyeliner on, this one here takes it all off, so I use this as instead of face wipe. So just give it a really good shake. I'll use it on an Organyc Cotton Round to remove eye makeup, or I'll use it on the dry wipes that I've featured before in my Lush jelly face mask video. Go and have a look at that one if you're looking for reusable face wipe options. So they actually come dry, so they're without chemicals. You can use them with water, or you can use them with a product like this, and then you just throw them in the washing machine. I know lots of people are into buying the sort of reusable cleansing rounds, and I'm sure that you could use this on those as well. I have probably been through at least 10 of these in the last couple of years. Again, the plastic thing. What are we gonna do? These featured in my last video as well. They are the OI Organic liners. This is a sanitary product for females. I only use OI products now. Other brands in New Zealand, like You by Kotex or Libra or whatever else, they all use like dyes to make the pads white. This is no dyes, safe, not synthetic as it says on the box. I just think if we're going to put those types of products near that area or in that area, we should be aware of any chemicals that come along with that. So I switched over to OI Organic probably 2 years ago, and they're in Pack and Save, New World, Countdown. You can buy them everywhere. They're a little bit more expensive, and hopefully the tax is going to come off sanitary items soon. But for me it's worth it. I think of my health and my reproductive health. I just think everyone needs to swap over to organic options. There's also Bon. There are a few other brands that you can pick up, so why don't I link them in the description box for you and you can check them out. 3 makeup items, kind of. The clear mascara, which is not looking so clear after I've finished it. Clear mascara for lashes and brows by Designer Brands. I already have a new one of this and I use it in a lot of my videos. I think it's like $10. It lasts me for at least 3 or 4 months, so it's a really good option. This is the Hurrah Vanilla Balm. It's crazy that anyone would actually finish a lip balm, but as a vegan you do, because they're a little bit more expensive and you want to use the whole thing. So this one here, yeah, is I think I bought it from like a Whole Foods shop, but you can get them on Au Naturel, Flora and Fauna. They're readily available now. I find the Hurrah Balms super buttery, really moisturising. They've got vitamin E in them and they always smell delicious, so if you haven't tried Hurrah you should. And then this is the older version of the Inecto mascara. They have since brought out the long lash mascara. Again, I've used that in videos. I can link them for you if you want to see. It's an organic vegan mascara. They have since updated the wand, which is really good. Oh yeah, I need to throw this away. The newest long lash mascara from Inecto is stunning, superb. I use it every single day, so I did rebuy this one, but I bought the better updated version. I have lots of Inecto videos which I can link for you. I have some food items here that I just want to quickly talk to you about. This is the sun-fed chicken-free chicken. I will make a video really soon featuring this, but if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I have done several posts about how I use this chicken-free chicken. It just comes in a cardboard box, so it's great for recycling. Stats on the back are super awesome. Really high in protein, iron, zinc, potassium, source of B vitamins, magnesium. It's low carb. You obviously don't get any cholesterol, trans fat, antibiotics, hormones, preservatives. It's non-GMO. There's no dairy, E. coli or salmonella because it's not chicken. But it tastes amazing. I'm gonna cook with it tonight. I love making curry with it. You can have it in burritos. You can make chicken pot pie. In fact, I think BP now sell a pie that uses this product. It doesn't taste like chicken, so if you are a vegan watching this going like, doesn't really interest me, I'm not into chicken, I think you should give this a go, because how do I explain it? Well, these are the ingredients. Water, pea protein, rice bran oil, pea fibre, pumpkin, and it actually is orange-ish in colour. Natural yeast extract and maize starch. There's literally no E numbers in this. It's soy free, it's gluten free. It is so good. You should try it. These two products here from Veggie Delights are something that I have been using often. I've actually got a video on the bacon rashes and how to use them, so I'll link that here for you, because I saw a huge thread in a Facebook page about how hard they were to separate and how they weren't cooking, so I made a video to show you how. So but I really like these, very similar to real bacon. And these are their classic hot dogs. So these are like a Frankfurter. They're really yummy as well. I took them to a barbecue the other night and people were like, can I have one? and they tried them and they were like, yeah. Veggie Delights have since rebranded. You probably recognise like the white tins of mints, which kind of look like cat food. They still have the white tins with the blue branding, but this is all their new branding. These guys have been around for years, and now they're making more and more vegan products, and it's awesome. Their rivals being Supreme. These guys are making more vegan options as well. Not all of their stuff is vegan, so just check the back of the packets. Sometimes they have, I think it's egg or honey in them, so there are sausages that aren't vegan, but the ones that I get that are the rosemary, sage and parsley. I love these and have them weekly as well. And then these are super yummy, great for barbecues in summer. This is the masala burger, and they taste so good. They're in like the chilled section, where you find like your hummus and your tofu and your vegan cheeses. And if you know, transition from being a meat eater into a vegan, you're gonna really love these products because they're super easy to cook, really versatile, and super yummy. And talking of sweet treats, these are only available at Countdown. These are the free from range, so it's like free from gluten, but coincidentally they're also vegan. And these are their mint cream biscuits. I don't really buy them that often because if I buy them I'll just eat the whole packet. So. They also make a really beautiful like Tim Tam biscuit as well. And it is so easy nowadays to buy vegan products that yeah, literally everything is available, and these are available only at Countdown, so I do recommend you try them. If you're a gluten-free vegan, you will love these. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For this Empties video, I hope that you really enjoyed it. Iska's still sleeping. I am going to take this off because it's so hot. It's the middle of summer, I've got the windows closed, so there's not a lot of noise outside. And someone's now in the shower, so I gotta go. Thanks so much for joining. Please subscribe to my channel. I make vegan and cruelty-free videos. Makeup, food, fashion, all that kind of stuff. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!